Okay, so we just got to our resort, the Paradisus, La Perla. And where are we, David?
Mexico.
But where?
Playa del Carmen?
Good job.
Yeah, I'm stupid.
No, you're not. Hush. So, we're going to give you guys a little room tour because this is ridiculous. We're going to start with the toilet because, well, there's a phone just in case you want to order room service from the toilet. Moving forward,
Important business.
this is the entryway of our room. Oh my god. There's one closet, and way down there is another closet. But what's really cool, I mean, not even like, look at that.
First of all, look at this bathroom.
Look at this bathroom.
It's kind of like the clamp that's like showing up to Beverly Hills.
I'm telling you guys right now, I don't deserve this shit at
Look
all.
Look at this double shower though. Look at this double rain shower.
And double rain shower. I'm literally standing in the shower right now.
And it keeps going.
It's giant. So big. I'm at the edge of the shower now. Like, come on, man.
The shower is bigger than some of the bathrooms I've had in apartments.
Right?
Yeah.
So, moving forward. Hi again.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, this opens to the bedroom.
No big deal.
Just in case, you know.
No big deal. Just, you know.
You want to take a bath and still have a conversation. But
This is how
the bath is literally the size of a full-size bed, so.
This is how drug dealers live.
I don't say that. Of course, we've got our water, our mini fridge, which is all included and is restocked daily, we've been told.
Yeah, actually, it's time for a beer. It is.
This is the bed with a cute little picture behind it. Super nice, super clean and cozy. Oh, God. Like, honestly. TV, of course.
Did you show them the patio bathtub?
No, not yet. You spoiled the surprise. What do we have, David?
We have another bathtub on the patio.
Do we?
And it's a jacuzzi tub.
Oh my God. Look at the patio. How do you open the door? I don't know.
It's heavy.
Ugh.
You locked it.
You locked it. Oh, it is heavy. Okay.
It's heavy.
Ugh.
I feel like we're living in the Matrix.
This is our jacuzzi outside on our beautiful patio. Complete with furniture. Just honestly, wow.
There's an ashtray, so I guess smoking is not
Wow.
necessary.
I almost fell and broke my neck, and you guys could have heard it, witnessed it. And look at this privacy. Like, oh. You guys, we're gonna have a really good time in Mexico. We will have plenty of drinks for you.
24-hour room service.
All right, now you're going too far. All right, well, this was it. This was our room tour. Hope you enjoyed. We will have multiple tequila shots for you.
I feel like I'm on Cribs.
And this was my crib.